How to adjust the chain on an L series spin bike. Tools needed: screwdriver, Phillips head, 6mm Allen wrench, a 14mm wrench. To start, you'll have to use a screwdriver to loosen one screw in the front and four screws in the back. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and do that now. Once you've removed all the screws, the cover will just come off of the bike like so. That should expose the cover, the chain drive. So now to make your adjustments, what you want to go ahead and do is first you want to loosen this nut and this nut. And you do that by turning it to the left. You don't want to take it all the way out. You just want to loosen it so that you can make adjustments. So you're using the 14mm wrench. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and loosen this nut here. Turn it counterclockwise. Just unscrew it off just to the point where you see threads. Do the same thing on this side. All right, so once all four nuts are off, not off but loose, then what you want to do is you want to grab the 6mm Allen wrench. So right now the chain is a little tight. Actually, it's not that bad, but to perform the adjustment, what you want to do is you want to tighten it, you want to turn it clockwise and just do a couple turns on each side. So now the chain is really tight. It should be looser than that. Still a little tight. The chain should have between 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of play. Make sure that whatever adjustments you make on the right side, you do on the left side. All right, so the chain is still a little tight. Let's give it another couple turns. Oh, no, it's too loose. So you're gonna have to play around with the chain tension just a bit to get it to its right setting. But once you get it to its right setting, the bike should sound quieter. So that feels just about right. So let's go ahead and give it a test. The bike does sound quieter. So once you've done that, what you want to go ahead and do next is tighten the 4 nuts. Go ahead and finger tighten them first. And then just go ahead and use the 14mm again to finish it. All right, once we get it tight, what you want to do next is go ahead and get on the bike and ride it standing up. Once you've done that and the chain feels good and the bike rides quieter, Then go ahead and put the cover back on. And then test it one more time. And if it sounds good, then the adjustments have been made and you're good to go.